sell it to.
Beautiful sunny day in Tokyo.
Your choice.
Oh, it's sweet. Very red.
We are going to Koenji to meet up with our friend, do some thrifting, get some lunch, just explore the neighborhood.
The next station is Koenji, JB6.
You're famous now.
View. What do you want? Or this looks so good. I'm so hungry. So cute. So I wanted to do a quick apartment tour and show where we've been staying during our time here in Tokyo. This is a 1-bedroom apartment. It's pretty small, which is typical in Tokyo, but I think it was the perfect place for us to use as a base while we were staying here and also doing some smaller trips around Tokyo. So when you first walk into the apartment, there's this long hallway. To the left here, there's like a little shoe rack so you can store your shoes because You definitely gotta wear slippers when you're inside. And then on the left-hand side, there's a washing machine, which is so convenient, especially if you're staying here for a longer time like we are. And then to the right, there is the bathroom. There is a toilet in this door here. Over here is the shower, and the real highlight of this was the bath, because there's a little tub and you can make a hot bath for yourself, which I've literally done every single night since I've stayed here. Here is this very high-tech control panel where you can program the temperature of the water. You can even refill it with more water. Very fancy. This is the kitchen area, so it came fully equipped with utensils, cooking items and stuff. So we didn't really cook much because we were eating out, but it was really nice that this came fully ready with all the different supplies and stuff that you might need to cook. And there's also a microwave, kettle, freezer, fridge, all of that. So then we come to the bedroom. So it's pretty small. We have the bed here. What I like is that there's a lot of storage room, so there is plenty of space to put our suitcases and store other stuff so that the room doesn't feel as cluttered. And there's a little seating area here where you can sit and work with a laptop as well. There is a little balcony, and you can use this also to dry your clothes. And this is a view of the neighborhood from the balcony. It's a really nice, quiet neighborhood, still very centrally located and accessible because it's just one stop from the Shinjuku station. But I really have enjoyed staying in this neighborhood. I'm currently trying to find my way to the location of this urban gardening event. I don't really know what to expect. Let's try and find it and meet up with everyone else.
Called Supernova. It's a live music house. At the time, they're super unique, willing to do more interesting stuff with greenery. Today, we are also joined by a production team. Mama.
Is it alive?
Yeah.
Becoming one with the greenery. We're like such city people. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, that was cool.
Wait, this is better than expected.
Yeah.